So, in diagnosing your engine, what things could be happening in your business and where do you look? So, weak message out to lots of people. Hey, I'm doing the things, but nothing seems to be working. Let's actually talk about who your customers are and what are they saying? Are they saying the things you say? Or are you too technical for them? Because that happens a lot. You become an expert and you're like, blah, 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 blah. Okay. The desired customer outcomes are not defined. So what are they actually trying to do? Not the need, but the outcome. If you have lots of general or conflicting messages, use more than demographics. Really actually talk to people. If you're messaging all the time to the same people, maybe you should look at how are these people different from each other? What are different things we can do? You know, if you feel you're fuel starved, referrals are great. And looking at, well, how do I duplicate the kind of customers I already have? There's more of them out there. You've just got to understand who they are and what they're looking for. Or, I just have a lot of people, so I'm on social all the time, that's fine. That'll do it. No. Just a large amount doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get good results. So do you do this yourself or should you hire out? You should do it yourself when you basically have no budget. You might be starting out or making small impact changes to current marketing or development. Or you're feeling out current customers to consider developing something new. That's a good time to do it yourself. But if you're doing a rebrand, a new website, or some kind of brand new thing, you should talk to somebody. You need to get additional perspective than what you have. Especially on developing an additional product or service, it may look like it's a market fit, but market research and customer research are two different things. Do not confuse the two. Before you are a sales coach, CMO, or ongoing growth consultant, you should probably do some customer research. You may not need that. You may need something else. And if you want to stay ahead of the competition and kick their ass, because people aren't doing this work. People are all about shiny object tactics and stuff like that. Oh, look, we're going to be on TikTok. Oh, look, we're going to do this. If you stop to improve your customer experience and understand your customers, they will always reward you for it. Because who doesn't feel appreciated if a business is like, hey, how can we actually help you better? What is it we could do that would help make this better for you? Not just when things go bad, like at any point.